We're doing this in 2 phases to accommodate the college's academic schedule and the fact that in order to do it in 1 phase, we would have had to rent out a large facility just to house our operation. The 2 phases allows us to move people out of a construction zone and then move them back in, and then on the other side, take phase 2 and move them to the temporary housing. Now let's go check out phase 1. In phase 1, that's where we're setting up all the temporary partitions. We're demolishing 1/2 of the building, clearing all the walls from the 1st floor, which is what we have behind us, to the 2nd floor and the 3rd floor. Each floor is at a varying stage. As phase 1 completes, the south side will be fresh with new walls, new carpet, new furniture. The relocated Student Life and Multicultural Center comes into play. And then as we go up through the floor, including things like the Veterans Lounge and some of the other services will be up and running, including what we like to call the one-stop student service center. The favorite part of a project for me is when the occupants come back in and get to start over in a fresh space and do the business the college is best at, serving our students. When we're complete, all the orange panels that you see will be replaced by sound insulation panels that'll deaden a lot of the noise that's created here in the atrium. The information booth will be served differently, as we're going to have the one stop where students can come in the main door and basically right where I'm standing start their registration, financial aid. One of the things that I think is a highlight of this space is we're going to have a new large digital display on the wall over here. That'll be used to serve the community, student presentations, day-to-day messages, along with a lot of events that could be held on still the wide open floor. We're really looking forward to completing phase 1. In the next few weeks, we'll be putting painted drywall and ceilings back in place, then moving on to phase 2.